Okay, so very good evening to all of you, gentlemen, and my dear friends, especially of 12th standard. Today I have brought a video in inverse trigonometric functions, and I solved some of the questions which has already appeared in board examinations. And based on very simple formulas, it is there, but we need to keep patience while solving such type of questions. We need to keep patience. Okay, because if slight mistake will be there, some calculation mistakes will be occurring, and after that our answer will get deviated very far away, you can say. So we need to take little care while solving such type of questions. But these questions are very interesting and purely based on formulas. Just put on formula and you can solve these questions. Okay, so I have brought 4 questions for you from inverse trigonometric functions. So let us proceed further to solve those questions. Okay, right. Okay, so we will solve today some of the questions related to inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so today our topic is inverse trigonometric functions. And this particular chapter is very important for 12th standard students. Okay. And the question which I am going to refer today or solve, these questions have already appeared in board examinations, 12th board examinations. Okay, so from previous year's question papers, I have taken the questions and it will be giving our students a very good practice. Okay, right. Nice. So let us solve the questions. Question number 1, which I am going to solve, is solve for x. And what is the expression given? Given is tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1, okay, by x plus 2, okay, and is equal to pi by 4. So this is the expression given to us, and this expression we are going to solve now. We already know the formula tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus AB. So this is the formula which is already there in inverse trigonometric functions, and the same formula we need to use it here. So if we are using left hand side of the given question, so our this one will become x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this expression we will get and is equal to pi by 4. Okay, right. Now this expression we need to solve. So let me solve it. I will solve this side. Here the space, it is there. That is space I am going to utilize to solve this expression. So, and later on we will substitute the value. So if we will take LCM, it will become x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2, right, and divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2, right, again divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2, okay, and minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 and divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. So this denominator part both are same, it will be getting cancelled. Okay, and further suppose if we are solving here, I am just putting like this. If we are solving, so x minus 1 into x plus 2, so it will be giving to us as x square and then minus x and plus 2x. So it will be giving to us as plus x, because 2x minus x. So plus x and minus 2. Here we are getting plus x square, then plus x minus 2x. So it is giving minus x and then minus 2. Divided by this side a minus b into a plus b formula we will be utilizing. So it will become x square minus 4, and this side here it will become minus, and this one will be giving to us as x square minus 1. So minus x square and plus 1. Okay, due to this minus it will become minus x square plus 1. This x square will get cancelled, and moreover here plus x and minus x will get cancelled, right? And this plus 2x square, then minus 4 we will be getting. Okay, right. So we will solve 2x square and then minus 4 divided by here what we are getting, minus 4 into 1. So this is giving us as minus 3, right? So 2x square minus 4 is equal to, and divided by minus 3. So this expression will become what? Tan inverse 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 is equal to pi by 4, right? Okay, this tan inverse we can take this side and it will become 10 pi by 4. So 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4 is equal to what? 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1, right? Okay, so now I will rub this side because already it is solved. Okay, this one also I will remove it. Okay, and then further what we are getting, 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1, and this will be giving to us as 2x square minus 4. This minus 3 will be coming here, minus 3 will come here. Okay, and 2x square is equal to minus 3. This plus 4 I will take this side, so it will become 2x square is equal to 1, right? Very good. And x square is equal to 1 by 2. So whereas x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So this value we will be getting it. So solve for x is there. So x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2 will be the answer for this one. Okay, right. Now let us solve next question. Question number 2 we will solve. Question number 2 is, if y is equal to cot inverse whole root 1 plus sin x and plus whole root 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x whole root and then minus whole root 1 minus sin x, right? And then find dy by dx. So we need to differentiate, but before that we need to solve this one. Okay, so we will go for rationalization of the fraction, this one. This completely we will solve it first and then we will go for substituting the value, right? Okay, so let us solve this one. We will go for rationalization of denominator. So 1 plus sin x plus whole root 1 minus sin x divided by whole root 1 plus sin x minus whole root 1 minus sin x. We will multiply it with 1 plus sin x plus whole root 1 minus sin x divided by whole root 1 plus sin x plus whole root 1 minus sin x. So here the same expression is there in numerator. So it will become 1 plus sin x plus whole root 1 minus sin x. It will be square divided by, here a plus a minus b into a plus b formula will be utilized. So here 1 plus sin x square minus whole root 1 minus sin x whole square. Okay, so this formula we have got. Then here if we are going for expansion, so a square plus b square minus 2 plus 2ab, so 1 plus sin x, then plus 1 minus sin x, then plus 2 into here 1 plus, so 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x will come here. Okay, so this one will become again a plus b into a minus b, so 1 minus sin square x. Okay, divided by, here it has come 1 plus sin x, then here 1 minus sin x. Due to this minus, so it is minus 1 and plus sin x. Correct? So minus 1 will get cancelled. And at the top, this sin x will get cancelled. Here it is 2. Okay, so further 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Now 1 minus sin square x is what? Cos square x. We are already knowing the formula. 1 minus sin square x is equal to cos square x, and whole root cos square x, okay, will become what? Cos x. So here what we are getting? Cos x. So plus 2 cos x divided by 2 sin x. 2 sin x. So if we will take 2 common, 1 plus cos x divided by 2 sin x, then 2 will get cancelled. Okay, right. So from here, let me rub this side so that we will get space properly, and it is not required because already it is there in video, so you can see. This side also it is not required. Correct? Right. Okay. Now we have got 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x by sin x. Now we have to utilize again formula. So what is the formula? Let me rub it this one. I will tell you the formula also simultaneously. So 1 plus cos x is equal to twice cos square x by 2. Similarly, sin x is equal to twice sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So that formula we are going to utilize. 2 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Cos x by 2 will get cancelled, and it will be what? Cot x by 2, because cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is cot x by 2. So what we have seen here, we have seen that we have completely solved this expression first separately, and then we got cot x by 2 for this expression. Now we are going to substitute here in that original expression. So cot inverse, so this complete expression has become cot x by 2. So cot x by 2 is equal to, so sorry, there is no equal to. Why? Because it is not an equation. So y is equal to so and so, right? So this y is equal to, as per the formula, it is x by 2, because we are knowing that cot inverse cot theta is equal to theta. Okay, so this has become x by 2 now. Now we have to find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. We need to differentiate. So it is very easy at present now. Okay, so from here, if we are going for dy by dx, so it is just simply 1 by 2. Okay, so this x 1 by 2x. Okay, and dx by dx is equal to 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Right. Now let us solve next question. Okay. Total 4 questions I will be solving today. Solve for x. Okay. And what we are given? We are given expression tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x, let us put it in bracket, is equal to pi by 4, gentlemen. So same formula we are going to utilize what we have utilized in first question. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus AB. Okay, so this formula we are going to utilize. So here it will become tan inverse 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x and is equal to pi by 4, right? This tan inverse will go this side and it will become 10 pi by 4. So it is 5x, will go for 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to 10 pi by 4. So 5x by 1 minus 6x square, 10 pi by 4 is equal to what? 1. So we will be solving it. So 1 minus 6x square is equal to 5x, and if we will take this 6x square that side, so it will become 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic equation, we need to solve it. Let us go for factorization. So 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Why? Because 5x is there. Okay, 6x square into 1 has given us as minus 6x square. Okay, and we need to have the multiplication 6x minus x as minus 6x square, and 6x minus x we will get 5x. So it is fulfilling the criteria. We will take 6x as common factor and it will become x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is given to us 6x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so further here 6x minus 1 is equal to 0, and it will be giving to us as x is equal to 1 by 6, or x plus 1 is equal to 0, it will be giving to us as x equal to minus 1. So our value for x is equal to 1 by 6, okay, 1 by 6, or x is equal to minus 1. So these two values we have got for x here. Okay, right, I hope you all have understood. Right, let us solve next question. Question number 4. With the same formula we are going to utilize now. So prove the following. So what it is, we are given tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. We need to prove this one. So already we have studied that formula. Formula I told you, tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus AB. So the same, first we will utilize the same formula for these two and for these two. Okay, so let us find out. So LHS we are taking. So now by applying the formula, what we have got, tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. This one we have got. Here what we are getting, gentlemen, here we have got 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 8. Okay, complete it is. Right. So tan inverse, if we are taking LCM, so here you can see 15 is at the bottom, here also LCM will come 15 at the bottom. Okay, so 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 15 by here 15 minus 1. Okay, so 15 minus 1 divided by 15, 15 will get cancelled. Okay, plus tan inverse this side again 56, so 15 by 56 divided by, so 56 minus 1 divided by 56, it has got cancelled. What we have got? We have got tan inverse 8 by 14 plus tan inverse 15 by 55. Okay, 56 minus 1 has given us as 55. Right. So now this is not required. In between I will rub it so that we will be utilizing this one. This is space. Right. Okay. So further tan inverse, again we will be utilizing the same formula here. So tan inverse and 8 by 14 plus 15 by 55 divided by 1 minus 8 by 14 into 15 by 55. Okay, right. Now this is not required. Okay, so this has become 10 inverse now. Okay, we can do it. 8 into 55, so 8 5 is 40 and 8 5 is 40, 44, 450 plus 15 4 is 66, 15 1 is 15 and 6 210. So it is 14 into 55. Why I am doing that? Again, here also at the bottom 14 into 55 will come. That's why. Okay, then divided by 14 into 55, right? So if we are solving this 14 into 55, so here it will come 14 into 55 minus 8 into 15 divided by 14 into 55. This 14 into 55 denominator part has got cancelled and left with 10 inverse. So 440, so 0, okay, 415 and 426, 650. And here what we are getting, 14 into 55. So 14 5 is 70, then 14 5 is 77. So it will become 770 minus 15 8 is 120. So this has given 10 inverse 650 divided by 700. Okay, so 100 has gone, 600, 670 minus 20, so 650. Okay, so this has got cancelled. So what we have got? We have got 10 inverse 1. And 10 inverse 1 is what? 10 inverse 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4. So this has become pi by 4. What we have got in RHS. So this RHS. So we have got pi by 4. So we solved in this way. So what it is required? It is required to solve step by step and be careful while calculating multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, because if slight mistake will be there, then answer will be deviated far away. So that particular you can say calculation mistake should not occur. That we need to understand and we need to take care. Okay, right, very good. So similar questions I will bring in my next video. Today only 4 questions I will be solving. Okay, right.